as we celebrate, we should not lose sight of the fact, of our ex-servicemen who had made the ultimate sacrifice to be able for us to enjoy peace today. They give it their all, right? Without thinking of the families or anything. That sacrifice has really paid off,
So this
for
is
us.
one of the most important days in a soldier's life after they retire?
Yes.
Come back and...
For Fiji, we have been involved in the peacekeeping force, peacekeeping since 1978. And our participation has not ceased from the Second World War, the Malayan campaign, and other peacekeeping operations all over the world, which we are still prominent. The military is still prominent. And it is actually an important day. It's a day of emotions. Bring together unity and all this. No nation can stand alone. No man is an island, they say. We are interdependent on each other. So like nations, we have to trade in order to get foreign exchange, all this kind of thing. The interlinkages. It's not that easy. A good number of people came, the crowds, the ex-servicemen, the ladies, the widows. We've seen those hardships.
So you yourself must be very happy to get an opportunity to meet with ex-servicemen?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely so. It's an occasion where you come and meet those who have given so much for the country.